Is counseling mandatory in domestic violence cases? In recent discussions surrounding family law, a hot topic has emerged. Is counseling mandatory in domestic violence cases? This question is gaining attention as more individuals seek clarity on legal requirements in these sensitive situations. If you or someone you know is navigating the complexities of domestic violence cases, you are likely wondering about the role of counseling in the legal process. The answer to this question varies based on jurisdiction and specific court orders. Courts often have the power to mandate counseling or participation in domestic violence intervention programs. This is typically part of protective orders or custody arrangements. For instance, judges may include conditions such as counseling or anger management programs when issuing an order of protection. In many states, including California, mandatory counseling or batterer intervention programs are common components of court orders related to domestic violence. These programs aim to reduce repeat offenses and encourage behavioral change in offenders. However, it is important to note that this requirement is not automatic in every case. It usually depends on the court's assessment of the situation, the evidence presented, and the need to protect the victim and the community. Counseling can also be a condition for custody or visitation rights when domestic violence is involved. Courts evaluate whether the offender has completed recommended services like therapy or domestic violence programs to determine their fitness to care for children or have contact with the victim. It is essential to understand that counseling requirements primarily focus on the offender rather than the victim. However, victims are often encouraged to seek therapy or support groups voluntarily to aid in their recovery and safety planning. In summary, while counseling can be mandatory in domestic violence cases, it ultimately depends on the legal context and judicial decisions. It is frequently ordered to address the offender's behavior and protect victims, but not all cases will have this requirement automatically imposed by the court.